In this video, I'll show you how to master Google AI Studio in 2026. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, this complete guide will help you use Google AI Studio more efficiently and unlock its full potential. First, become familiar with the Google AI Studio dashboard. Spend some time exploring the available Gemini models, project options, prompt editor, and API features. Understanding where everything is located will make your workflow much faster. Next, focus on writing better prompts. Instead of asking short or vague questions, provide clear instructions, include the desired output format, define the tone, and add enough context. High-quality prompts produce more accurate and useful AI responses. After that, experiment with different Gemini models and compare their results. Some models perform better for coding, while others are better suited for content creation, reasoning, or multimodal tasks. Choosing the right model for the job is an important skill. If you're building applications, learn how to use the Google AI Studio API with Python or JavaScript. This allows you to integrate AI into websites, mobile apps, chatbots, and business tools. Keep your API keys secure and always follow development best practices. As you gain experience, create reusable prompts, organize your projects, and build AI workflows to automate repetitive tasks. Testing your prompts with different inputs and refining them over time will significantly improve the quality of your AI-powered applications. Finally, stay up to date with the latest Google AI Studio features, SDK updates, and Gemini model improvements. Regularly exploring new capabilities will help you continue learning and make the most of the platform. By practicing consistently, improving your prompt engineering skills, and building real-world projects, you'll quickly become confident using Google AI Studio for coding, content creation, automation, research, and AI application development. And that's how to master Google AI Studio in 2026. If this complete series helped you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more AI tutorials and technology guides.